Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Liquanea to Half Way Tree. Now, Liquanea is one of the busiest places in Kingston, and Half Way Tree is the busiest place in not only Kingston but Jamaica. So we are on Old Hope Road now, but when we go across the light we're going to go on to Hope Road. On the right is the Sovereign Plaza, and it's the busiest plaza in Liquanea and one of the biggest and busiest plazas in Jamaica. Okay, so let's discuss Liquanea and then Half Way Tree. Liquanea is more a residential area. It has a lot of plazas that support the communities around it. Communities like Mona, Hope Pastures. You have two universities close by. You have Barbican, you have Millsboro, Jackshill, Hopefield, Sandhurst, a lot of communities. So Liquanea is more an area where you're going to find a lot of supermarkets, a lot of banks, things or places or institutions that support a commercial area where people will go and shop because it's close to their home. Now, I mean, when I say shop, I mean I go to the supermarket, the barber, those kind of things. Now, Half Way Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, and it's a major transportation hub. So you're going to find a lot of, it's more a commercial area. You're going to find offices, you're going to find banks, you're going to find a lot of plazas, but most of the plazas in or around close to the Half Way Tree area, they don't really have supermarkets. They're just straight plazas. But because you have the Half Way Tree Transport Center, which is a bus park, probably the largest bus park in Jamaica, you have up to 250,000 people a day passing through Half Way Tree. And because it is so busy, 1 acre of land in Half Way Tree costs about 1.5 million US. So you can see just how busy it is. Alright, so we are going between the two of the busiest places in Jamaica, and we are now on Hope Road. On the left is the Citibank building, on the right is the Marley Museum, which is a major tourist attraction in Jamaica. They give tours, very nice facility over there. I went there a few times and very impressed. They even have a movie theater in there where you can watch a movie on the life of Bob Marley. Okay, at this intersection now, if you turn left, you go onto Lady Musgrave Road. If you turn right, you take East King's House Road back to Barbican. We are currently on Hope Road, and if you go across the light, you take Hope Road down to Half Way Tree. And on the right, where you see those palm trees, that's the entrance to King's House. And that's the official residence of the Governor General of Jamaica. Alright. Now, if you look at the stoplight on the ground, you're going to see some white lines. Now, I'm not sure if it's still enforced, but there was a time when that yellow line, if the light changes and you are on the yellow line, you get a ticket. So I don't know if you can see it. There's a car, probably can't see it with the camera angle, but once you are on that yellow line and the light changes, you get a ticket. That was done to ensure persons don't block up the intersection when the light is changing. And from what I remember, it was a hefty fine, but as you can see, the yellow line is not even properly painted, so I'm not sure if they still give tickets for that infraction anymore. But it was very useful when it was put in, because persons kept going through the light on the yellow, and then with the traffic it would back up and the intersection gets blocked, so the cars on the green can't get to pass. Okay, on the left now is Arden Road, and on the right is the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center, and then on the right now is the Police Officers Club. On the left is Phoenix Avenue, and on the right is the Liberty Academy. Now, where the Liberty Academy is, it used to be the Priory High School, but it closed down and Liberty took it over. Okay, on the left now is the Andrews Memorial Hospital. It's a private hospital. Okay, on the right is Kingsway, and where you see those trees on the right, that's Devon Halls. And that's another historic place in Jamaica where they have a great house over there from the time of slavery, and you can take tours of the facility. Also, they have a park area, so persons can go over there and sit down, run up and down on the grass. Very, very nice area, very nice place. And they also have a lot of stores on the compound. Okay, it looks like they're having an event over there today on the lawn. I see a lot of tents. I see the RGR truck. And they have a lot of stores over there where you can buy food. Okay, at this intersection now, if we turn left, we go on to Trafalgar Road. If we turn right, we go on to Waterloo Road. Now, if we take Trafalgar Road, it will take us into the New Kingston area. And if we take Waterloo Road, it takes us back to Upper Waterloo Road. Okay, so Devon House now, they have a lot of stores over there, but probably the most famous one, or the most popular one, is the Devon House ice cream store. The store did so well that the ice cream, Devon House ice cream, is now sold all over the island through different stores. So you'll see an ice cream place somewhere inside the country, and you'll see the sign Devon House ice cream sold here. So they have done extremely well, and they actually expanded their facility. They have a new store over at Devon House that can hold a lot more people. That's how busy it is. Well, it was before COVID. Okay, on the left is the Winchester Business Center. Okay, so we're now entering the heart of Half Way Tree, where you can see the clock straight ahead. On the left is the St. Andrew High School for girls, their back entrance. Now, where you see that car turning, that silver car, that's the entrance to the Brooklyn supermarket. So now this area of Half Way Tree is very busy. By the clock you have a bus park, and you also have a taxi stand. You have about 3 places in Half Way Tree where buses and taxis congregate. But the biggest one is the Half Way Tree Transport Center. And this is actually, as we said, Half Way Tree is a major transportation hub. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.